The first test of the standardized field sobriety test in Georgia that should be administered to you by the officer is a horizontal gaze nystagmus test. Now, the horizontal gaze nystagmus, or the HGN test, is the only scientific test of the 3 standardized field sobriety tests in Georgia. The officer must follow the proper administration guidelines for the HGN to be valid in court. Now, the HGN is basically, to understand what it is it's H means horizontal, that's on the horizontal plane. Gaze is simply your eyes, and then nystagmus is the involuntary jerking of your eyes. Now, when an officer administers this test to you, if you have nystagmus present, and some people have a natural nystagmus, but if nystagmus is present, it's present as a jerking of the eye as it follows a stimulus. Now, if you want to see nystagmus, the easiest way to do that and the easiest way to demonstrate it would be to have a volunteer. You take them, get them in a longer room, and you spin them for 20 seconds, as fast as you could spin the person. Now, you're probably going to want to have somebody stand there and hold them whenever you stop, but at the end of 20 seconds, have them stand still, tilt their head back slightly, and look at the opposite end of the room. Focus on an exit sign or a sprinkler or a photograph or picture. And if you'll watch that person's eyes, the person's eyes will jerk. They'll jump. Now, that's rotational nystagmus, but it will show you what the officer is looking for. It's not caused, obviously, by alcohol, but it's rotational, and it will show you what the officer is looking for, although it could be an exaggerated form of it. Now, the best videos that the officer has, it doesn't matter what camera the officer is using, you will not be able to determine whether the person has nystagmus or not, because the camera should not be showing the person's eyes. The person should be facing away from the flashing lights. However, the video can show problems in the administration of the test. Now, I am trained as an instructor for HGN. I will make sure the officer did this test correctly, and if he didn't, I will use it against the officer.